I was cleaning my roof, trying to get my 21-foot travel trailer ready to sell. And when I was cleaning the roof, I noticed that the rubber roof was starting to deteriorate, and I needed to find a way to either put a new rubber roof on or coat the roof. When I was at the Hershey RV show, I remembered seeing the Rexoseal and decided I would check that out. I looked on the internet, found Rexoseal, and I contacted Rexoseal and bought a large container to coat my 21-foot travel trailer's roof. When I received the Rexoseal, it came with the rollers, the paint brushes, everything needed to apply the Rexoseal to the roof. I added it on by myself. It was easy to put on, went on smoothly, and I used one coat. I had to wait for the rain to stop because it says the roof must be dry and the weather must be good with no rain predicted. So once I had clear weather, I put on one coat, put on the second coat, and I still had plenty left over. So I contacted Rexoseal, and they told me to just keep putting it on until the roof was, until the container was empty. Well, I did that, and actually I ended up putting 4 coats on my roof. And this was a good selling point for me to sell my camper because once they saw that the roof was coated with the Rexoseal, it was no problem selling it at that point because it was a solid roof, a good white coating on there, and it looked great. And all the seams and everything were covered, and there was no problem with that. And so I'm very happy. I was very happy with the product, and apparently the person that purchased my RV was happy as well. As far as a application of the Rexoseal, it was very easy to put on. If you're thinking about doing it yourself, it's very easy, very simple. The instructions are great. You just follow the instructions, lay the tape down along the corners, and seal the tape with the Rexoseal on the seams, on the edges of your RV, and it is great. It does a good job. Once it dries hard, and it is like brand new. It is a brand new roof.